The roads don't look too bad, actually. No, this is not bad at all. Something on the map there. I'm gonna go check it out. It's only about 5 minutes off the highway. Sure is pretty. Ooh, okay. It's not. Oh boy. I'm stuck. Ah, hell. I gotta go into 4x4. I gotta go out and lock the hubs. Woohoo! 4x4 for the win. Check it out. Look what I was in. I didn't realize this was just it just dropped right off into 2 feet of snow. I had no idea. How did I know? So happy my baby pulled through though. That's awesome. Okay, plan B. It's cute. So cute. But there's 2 sides. Let's go look at the other side. Oh, I remember this. Yeah, I stopped here. Okay. We're home. Let's get inside. Oh good, it's running. Whew. I was worried for a second. Please be warm. Please be warm. Please be nice and warm. Alright, not that warm. But it's on, and the pipes aren't freezing. That's a good thing. Oh my god, it's only 16 in here. Yikes! I'm going from one island to the other, from one coast to the other. It's probably like, I don't know, 7,000 kilometers. Slippery. Look at all the dirt. Look at all that. We got some snow last night, you can tell. Okay, we're off. Woohoo! Hello, Ontario! This is downtown Kenora. Ah, perfect. Okay, here we go. This is what I want right here. Alright, let's go patronize the store so that they don't think I'm parking here for no reason. $9 for a full meal. Of course I took it. Okay, so let's get inside. Let's get a coffee going. Regroup. Figure out where we're going. It's around noon, so I'm in Ontario at least. That's the main thing. Wow, okay, I just checked the weather. Kenora, Dryden, this whole area, big storm coming in. I noticed when I was coming down the highway that I was getting like a freezing drizzle. Well, that's gonna go on all afternoon into the night and add 2 feet of snow on top of that with that crusty top on it. You ever see that? That's gonna be brutal for driving, so need to push on. Yeah, you can feel it on the roads. It's black ice. Goodbye, Kenora. Alright, we're coming into Dryden. Wow, it's a big town. Okay, I almost ditched it. I have to take a break. I'm seeing double on the road. I gotta take a break and lay down for a bit. Gotta know your limitations. Ooh, the furnace is doing better today. Good morning. Well, that was interesting. I stopped by at the side of the highway last night just to lay down for half an hour, just have a power nap, because I was kind of starting to wander all over the road. I slept 12 hours. You know what I really miss though in this lifestyle? Is a nice long soak in a tub with bubbles and a glass of wine and candles. I think I dreamed about that last night. You wouldn't know I just washed my rig, would you? Yeah, this isn't bad at all. Look at the ice forming though, underneath where the bed is. Okay, we're off. I keep hearing stuff on my roof. I think that ice is falling onto my roof. Wow. A truck went off the road. We just crossed the meridian where all water now starts flowing south. And it's around the 50th parallel, give or take. And what it is everything north of here, the water flows north, falls north. All the rivers go north, but everything south of here, all the water will start flowing south. Rivers, streams, creeks. It's kind of a bizarre scientific fact, but it's true. Freezing rain is starting to come in. I really got to watch myself here because the temperature's gotten a lot warmer. This is crazy. Okay, screw that. We're in Thunder Bay, right? Check this out. $2. $2 for a liter
at the light,
of diesel.
Left onto Trans-Canada Highway,
crazy.
Ontario 11 East.
Just crazy. And then I asked them about filling up my propane tank, and they said, sure, $40 plus tax.
Continue on Trans-Canada Highway.
It's crazy. Guess where I'm going? Anywhere but here. So I came back out here to the highway because there's a little turnoff like we were at yesterday, last night. And there's a truck here too. So what I'd like to do on the circle, the half circles, is go over to one side. So the big trucks, if they want to come in for a while, they can. You got to play nice with the other kids. Play nice with them and they'll play nice with you. Anyway, it's almost 5:30. So we're going to lose the light anyways. So let's get set up, get a coffee. Who knows? If I could just get to that dump station, I could actually have a nice hot shower. Anyway.